In this video, I want to show you how you can download and install the JSON projects, in other words, the automations for those projects that we've created. The resource attached to this lecture is called downloads.zip. You have to extract those downloads. And when you do, you'll find that you have 5 different JSON files that are for the 5 different projects. So in order to import these, come over to your copy of N8N and click on Create Workflow. You can come over to this button here and then import from File, and then navigate to the folder where you've unzipped your JSON files. Let's just use the AI Humanizer first. Just click on it and click on Open, and the automation will open for you in N8N, and it will then be saved. Now be aware that anywhere that we've used references to our Google Drive, you will have to change it. So this doc ID isn't going to work for you. You're going to have to go in and change that. In this case, this gets the AI Tell document from the Google Drive. You'll need to create your own document and then you put the document ID in there. When it comes to the AI agent, you'll need to do the same as well. Wherever you see that we've inserted these variables, you will need to change them for your own variables. You also, of course, will need to change the AI that you're using. If you're not using local and you're using OpenRouter, then you'll need to choose the appropriate settings. If you want to use the OpenAI chat, you'll need to have LM Studio installed and models installed within LM Studio. The other thing, of course, which you should already have done, is you'll need to go in and create the credentials that you need, or at least that the automations are using. So your Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Gmail, and if you want to use Pushinator, you'll have to install that as well, and any other credentials. Once all that's done, your workflow that you've imported should work.